To today's video where I'm going to be teaching us about a platform called hawkit. Okay, hawkit is a very good platform whereby you can perform some engagement task on it, and you are going to earn a particular amount of money. Okay, so let's get in. This is the app here. Okay, this is the app hawkit. Okay, this is how the app look like. All right. So this is how the app really look like. This is how the app look like. Okay, so when you just open this app, this is how it will be. Okay, so let me log out so that you can see how to do it. You click, let me log out. This is the log out button here. Okay, all right, so now I've logged out. Okay, so now when you come to this page, this is how it will look like. So now me I already have an account already. I just put my username or my email or phone number. You have three options. You can put your username, your email or phone number, then you put your password here. Okay, so that's how it is. But now as for you, if you are just coming to this platform, you just click on this sign up here. Don't have an account, sign up. Okay, so that's what I'm going to click. Now let's click it. Okay, so now can you see? All right, let's say that my name is Joel. All right, so your prefer username, let's say I'm Joel Sunday. Okay, so yes, Sunday. Okay, sign up. Okay, can you see almost done? Enter your username and just enter Sunday 1 2 3 6. Okay, so let me just enter my password, my email. Okay, so now let me log into my account so that I can show you some things. Okay, log out. Okay, sorry, so I need to close it. Okay, so this is how it looks. Okay, this is my dashboard. Okay, can you see I have 194 naira. I've just withdrawn my money. Okay, and sorry, this platform, there is you only need, you have to activate it with a one-time membership of 1,000 naira. Okay, with just 1,000 naira you can join this platform. Okay, the platform is very good. You can do a lot of tasks on it. Okay, so let me show you the task. Okay, can you see this place? You say congratulations, you are now a member. Okay, your membership has been activated successfully. You can now earn daily by posting adverts and performing tasks on your social media account. Click the button below to start earning by engaging your next task. You can perform as many tasks as possible. Okay, so that's it. This is, let's click on this perform task and earn. This place platform is very good. You can use it to post you can post adverts, like you can post, you can make, maybe if you are selling your products as an affiliate marketing or any online digital marketer, you can post your products here. because this platform have a lot of engagement. Okay, so if what you need to do is just to click on this select here. This if you want to people you want to post your advert on Facebook, on this Facebook, yeah, you just click on this select. Okay, so when you click on select, when you click on select, you just sorry, I made a mistake. This place is like you can post adverts for people. Okay, you must have up to like 1,000 followers on each account. Okay, so that's it. This place is, you can, when you post for people, 100 naira per post. Okay, if you, so they can, if you help them, if you help hawkit to post their customer advert, you are going to get 100 naira per advert post, as you can see here. Look at it. Okay, look at 100 naira per advert post. Okay, so that's how it works, and you must have up to like 1,000 active followers on your page before they can before you can be able to post on your Facebook page. Okay, even Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, everything. Okay, so and WhatsApp is 15 naira per post. Okay, so that's how it works. So now let's come to the interesting part. This place, this perform engagement task, let's click it. So can you see, if you follow people and pages, you are going to earn 3 naira per follow. Okay, imagine you are able to perform like 1,000 tasks per day. That's 3,000 naira within the comfort of your home. Can you see, that is very, okay, it is very good platform. So I don't know, investing 1,000 naira, I don't see it as anything big deal, because you are going to make times 100 of your money back if you put seriousness. Okay, so I advise you join this platform now with 1,000 naira. Okay, so that's how it is. And there are a lot of another thing. Look at this place. They will even look at this Google Play app download and review. Okay, this section, you can install 100 apps from the Play Store, and when you are done, just screenshot it and upload it here. You are going to get 30 naira per download, per install. Okay, so and if you are using an iPhone, 60 naira per install. Okay, this one here. Okay, can you see, 50 naira per install. Okay, and follow an account on AudioMark. This one here, you are going to earn 10 naira per just follow an account. Okay, we do all this thing for free. We install app for free on Google Play Store, but this platform will pay you for doing that. Okay, can you see, 30 naira on YouTube channel. If you subscribe, look at this one, like this one now. If you subscribe, you are going to be earning 30 naira per subscribe. Per any channel you subscribe to, you are going to get it per 30 naira. Which means you do all of that for free, but this platform will pay you for doing that. Okay, even view, like and comment. This one. Okay, that's it. Even this one, you post comment. All right, so that's it. All right, so that's it. Okay, so this place, if you can come to this advertise, this place, this advertise section here, you click it. Okay, this place, get people with at least 1,000 active followers to post your advert and perform certain social tasks for you on their social media account. Okay, that's it. This place you this place get started. If you click on this get started, okay, let me click it. Okay, you do not get people to post your advert on their WhatsApp. Okay, when people will help you post your advert. Okay, you are with 1,000 naira, you can get like 10 people. They will give 10 people to post. Imagine like 1,000 naira. I mean 1,000 people times 10, that's 10,000 naira. Can you see? Most especially if your offer is good, if the product you are selling is very good, people will patronize you. You are going to make a lot of sales with this platform. This platform is very good, so I advise you jump onto it now with 1,000 naira. It's just one time registration. You don't need to do anything, you don't need to pay anything again. After that, you only need to pay for any advert you want to run on here. Okay, that's all you need to do. The platform will come free forever. Okay, so that's how it works. All right, then let's click on engagement task. This place, and you see, just as you have you are liking people's page, you can also make your own post. You can also let people help you to like your page, to follow your page, your Instagram, your Facebook page, your Twitter, your everything, all your social media page. They can like it with just 5 naira per follow, 5 naira per like, 5 naira per page like and follow. Okay, get 3 people to like and follow your page, your business page. Yeah, can you see? So it's very very good. Okay, so that's how it works. Thank you for watching.